No pensions without representation. It's time to divest Brighton and Hove's pensions from fossil fuels. Brighton and Hove's local government pension scheme, the East Sussex Pension Fund, has millions of pounds of local people's pensions invested in the giant oil and gas companies that are driving the climate crisis, companies like Shell and BP. Brighton and Hove City Council has repeatedly called on the fund to stop investing in fossil fuels, but has been given the brush off by East Sussex County Council, who control the fund. Brighton and Hove's employees make up more than a quarter of the fund's 77,000 members and pay in over a third of annual contributions to the fund. But they have no say in the fund's decisions, which are made exclusively by East Sussex County Council councillors. A Brighton and Hove councillor is proposing that the fund add 2 Brighton and Hove councillors to the fund's decision-making body to ensure that the fund finally makes a commitment to divest. You can support this move by signing the petition, Stop Investing Brighton and Hove's Pension Funds in Fossil Fuels.
No pensions without representation. No pensions without representation.